Uh, Good day, everyone, and I'm Ruji Implino, PSIT 1A. This is my introduction about this topic. Chapter 1, the foundations of logic and proofs. And the first topic is proposition. Proposition is a kind of declarative sentences that is either false or true, but not both, and it, it has six logical operators such as negation, conjunction, disconjunction, exclusive or conditional statement, and biconditional statement. The negation is that is read or not P. The truth value of the negation is the opposite of that truth. Like if it is false, if it's negation, it's gonna be opposite, it gonna be true. And the second is the conjunction. Conjunction is it's true when the both P and Q are true and it's false otherwise. And the third is disconjunction. Disconjunction is false when both of P and Q are false and is true otherwise. It's opposite of the conjunction. And the fourth is exclusive or. The exclusive or is it is the proposition that is true when exact one of the P and Q is true and it's false otherwise. Next is the conditional statement. The conditional statement is false when P is true and Q is false, and the otherwise in the conditional statement P by conditional statement Q is called the hypothesis or incident or premise or premise, and Q is called the conclusion or consequence, and the last is biconditional. Biconditional statement is true when P and Q have the same truth values and is false otherwise. Biconditional statement and also called by implications, and the position have variables. It has P, Q, and R, and S. And the propositions have truth values such as true and false. And that's all. I choose this problem, the negated P by conditional Q by con conditional P by conditional Q. This is my answer. It's the problem. Negated P by conditional Q and by conditional P by conditional Q. And because of the precedency of this one, we're gonna put the negative first and we're gonna the P and the Q. P true, true, false, false, and the Q is true, false, true, false, and then under negated P, negated P, because it's negated, it's gonna be the opposite of the value of the P. Opposite of that T, the true is false. So false, false, true, true. And then we're gonna copy the problem. Negated P by conditional Q. Okay, then we gonna solve this too because of this negated P and Q. The biconditional of P and Q is if the value is not the same, so it's gonna be false. And if the value is same, it's gonna be true. And then true and false because C is not the same. Then we're gonna copy this one. P by conditional Q. And then we're gonna this 2 because this is not negated. It's P. Then true versus true is true. True, false, because it's not the same, it's gonna be false. Then in the same, false, true, false, and then false, false, true. So you're this answer of this. You're gonna solve this one. You're gonna copy that. P by conditional Q, and then by conditional again. You're gonna put this parenthesis and P by conditional Q. So it by conditional we're gonna on this 2 because the answer is the sum is this false and false because it's not the same, so we're gonna be false, and the rest is all true, false, false, true, false, so false. This is the final answer of this problem. This is the B. Translating logical expression into a logical statement. Activity. Translating English sentence. It's P and Q be the proposition. And the P is I brought a lottery ticket this week. And the Q is I won the $1 million jackpot on Friday. And the E.
Yes. Negated P. So, kasi negated P so, ibaliktad lang niya. So, yan ito. This week, I bought a lottery ticket. That's the answer. And the B, P disjunction Q. So this is my answer. I bought a lottery ticket. This week. Or I won the $1 million dollar jackpot on Friday. Then C, P conditional Q. And this is my answer. If I will vote bought a ticket, a lottery ticket, this week, and then I will win the $1 million jackpot on Friday. Then my P disjunction Q. So this is my answer. I bought a lottery ticket. Then this week, and I won the $1 million jackpot. But on Friday. Then E. Negated P. Conditional negated Q. And this is my answer. Okay. You can win the $1 million jackpot on Friday. And it's gonna be will win if you bought a ticket, bought a lottery ticket this week on the app. Yes. It's not, I wrong. This is the F. Negated P. Negative P conditional negative Q. And the A is this P by conditional Q. Sorry, I mistake. And now this is the I will win. I will not bought a ticket this Friday. This weekday. Wrong. Sorry. Then I will not win. On Friday. The G. Last one. Negated P conjunction negative Q. So it's my answer. I will not bought lottery ticket this week. Not bought a lottery ticket this week, and I will not win $1 million jackpot. on Friday. And that's all in the activity B.
I choose the number 2 of the bitwise problem. So gonna copy this first. 1 1. Make sure the whole number has a line. 0. So that is not hard to answer. So it's 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So first we gonna find the or bitwise. We gonna put BW as initial of bitwise. BW or, and then so first 1 and this one. The answer is 1 because in the or you will put 0 if these two will the same, and the rest is 1. It's 1 0, so it's 1 1 G 1 1 equals 1 1, then 1 again, so it's 0 it's 0, so 0 sir 0 1 1 again 0 0. So we're gonna find the and bitwise. So we're gonna put again BW as the initial of bitwise, and we're gonna put and then let's start. This and this the opposite. If one is not the same, it's gonna be 0, and if one is the same, that's only we can put 1. So start. 1 is 1, so 1, and then this 1 0, so this is not the same one, so we're gonna put 0. So again we're gonna repeat 1 again and again. So in this there's no the same one, so the rest is 0 0 0 0 0. So we're gonna finish the bitwise and, so we're gonna find the bitwise XOR. So we're gonna put again BW and then XOR, then start. In this we're gonna, if the number is the same, we're gonna put 0. If not the same, we're gonna put 1. So these two number is the same, so we're gonna put 0. Then 1 0 is not the same, so we're gonna put 1, and we're gonna follow the, so 1 is 1, so 0, and 1 0, so 1, then 0 1, so 1 again, then 0 is 0, so it's the same, so we're gonna put 0, then it's 2 0 1, so the same 1, and that is so. Is my final answer in my bitwise problem. That's all. Thank you.